Hello friends, Tony here. In this video I want to show you how we can work with keyboard shortcuts. If you go to actions, and here we have listen for specific keys, so you can use one of Livewire's convenient aliases to narrow down key press event listeners to a specific key or combination of keys. And for example, here we have an example to perform a search when a user hits enter. After typing into a search box, you can use the wire : key down enter, for example. Okay, so in the input we say wire key down enter, and we pass here a method name. So let's do that. Let's copy this, and in our project we have a search input, and let's open the search blade, and in the input I'm going to paste that. So a wire key down enter search post. Just we don't have this, but I'm going to create. So let's save and let's open the method. So it's the search class, and here create the method with that name. And what I'm going to do for now, just dump and say OK here. Let's save. Now let's go to blade, and just if we hit enter, we are going to call this search post, which is going to dump OK. Let's come here and refresh. Let's go to input and hit enter, and we have OK here. Good. You can use also a combination of keys, so shift enter, for example. Let's copy, and instead of just enter, we can do shift enter. Save, and come here and say shift enter. We have OK. But if we are outside of the input and say shift enter, nothing is going to happen. But if you want to happen that, we need to call on the window. So if we scroll down here, we have below is a list of all the available key modifiers for Livewire: shift enter, space, control, command, meta, and so on. And also we have event handler modifiers. So Livewire also includes helpful modifiers to make common event handling tasks trivial. So we have a wire key down dot prevent, or we have dot stop and dot window. Now if we use this dot window, it's going to listen for event on the window object. So on the window object, let's use that. In the search blade we say shift enter, and then let's add dot window and hit save. Now just hit shift enter, and we are calling this method. Okay, good. But if you scroll down, and for example in many websites, if we click command K, it's going to navigate the search, or just slash. In most cases navigate the search input. The same we have also with Livewire. So if I hit slash, we navigate with the input and just type something to search. Okay, or we can say command K, the same thing. And that's what I want to do in this video in our project. So let's scroll down and see, and I'm going to do that with AlpineJS. So because wire : uses the Alpine's X-on directive under the hood, these modifiers are made available to you by Alpine. And let's go to Alpine events documentation, and here we have listening for simple events or listening for specific keys. And for example, key up enter is going to listen for that one, or key up shift enter, and prevent in the default. Also here we have some in dot prevent, and so on. Let's come here, and instead of wire key down, we can say add key down, and I'm going to say shift or just enter window. And now let's create this search post, not in the here. I'm going to remove from here, save, close. I'm going to initialize the Alpine in this div, in the parent div. So let's say x data to be able, and here I'm going to create that method. So search post, let's copy this and paste it here, and we need to receive an event here. on enter key down, okay? And let's say, I'm going to say just console.log passing the event, okay? Let's save. Let's see on the browser now, come here and refresh. I'm going to inspect the element, go to console, and now we need to hit the enter key. And as you can see here, we have the keyboard event and the code is enter, as you can see. Now, if I change that to say slash and save, okay, and let's say slash here, yeah, we have a keyboard event and we have the code, which is slash, the key is down there, and we have also the key code, which is 191. And what I want, instead of just saying console log, I'm going to add an ID in here. So let's say ID, not if, but ID, and let's say search search input. Okay, and let's copy this search input, and I'm going to say document get element by ID and paste that search input here. And then in this element, I'm going to call the focus method. Good. Now let's save and let's see. If we type slash on the window object, we are going to call this search post, and here we say search post. We're passing the event here and say document get element by ID search input, which we added here the ID and dot focus, and also I'm going to say event dot prevent default and save and refresh. Click outside here and just type slash, and as you can see, we navigate in here and refresh again. And I think we have some data here, and let's search for this $. So I'm going to hit slash and search for this one. Okay, friends, that's it all about this video. I hope you enjoy, and if you like such a video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.